Breathing through the mouth causes dry mouth, which increases the risk of mouth and throat infections and reduces the sense of taste. Breathing through the mouth also pulls all pollution and germs directly into the lungs. Dry, cold air in the lungs makes the secretions thick, slows the cleaning cilia, and slows down the passage of oxygen into the bloodstream. Ignoring nasal allergies increases the chance that you will develop asthma. It also makes asthma worse if you already have it. If the nose is blocked for some reason, your brain will still ask for an equal amount of oxygen, and you will start breathing through the mouth. When the mouth is open, the lower jaw is likely to fall backward and your tongue and soft tissues sink down, narrowing the air passage. Due to the narrowed airway, the soft tissues will start to vibrate, and if incoming air is insufficient, you will breathe harder, thus causing a turbulent airflow resulting in loud snoring vibrations. As nostrils differ, MegaVent was designed to fit all possible shapes by being totally flexible. In seconds, you can personalize each insert. This is how you do it. Hold an insert in hot water for a few seconds. Press the short sides for your ideal bulky width. Let it cool a few seconds in cold water while you still maintain the desired shape. Repeat with the other insert. You may refit as many times as you like, but remember, normally you only need to do this once. Of course, you can also use MegaVent as is, right out of the package, but we strongly recommend you customize it so that it will fit better. If you are out of hot water, no problem. Just shape it by pressing the short sides to the desired shape. Without heating, it might lose its shape after some time, though. If so, just reshape. MegaVent comes in 2 sizes, and we have a rule of thumb. If the top of your thumb fits in your nostril, you will need large. If only your little finger fits, take medium. MegaVent helps you breathe the right way, through the nose, the way ENT doctors prefer.